Hi, welcome back. Today we will learn how to create this animated progress bar together in Canva. Let's get started now. First, log in to canva.com. Once you're in, click on Video, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels for YouTube video. Click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the Search element field, key in Rectangle and click on Shapes. Adjust the shape of the rectangle. Select the 100 for corner rounding. Key in 12 for border weight. Change the border color to white. Change the rectangle color and background to gray. Adjust the shape of the rectangle. Now we will do the first background of the progress bar. In the Search element field, key in Blue Sky Clouds background. Under the filter, select Animated, and then click Videos. We select this background. Adjust the size of the rectangle. Change corner rounding to 100. Then for border weight, change to 12. This is the same as the first rectangle that was created. Next, select the icon. In the Search element field, key in Cute Bee and click on Graphics. We will select this bee riding a motorbike. Adjust the duration of the video to 0.2 seconds. Duplicate the video. Adjust the length of the rectangle. Now we will do the second stage of the progress bar. In the Search element field, key in Cartoon Green Field Background. We select this background. Remember to adjust the size and border settings, same as the first rectangle. Adjust the size according. Now select the second icon. In the Search element field, look for another bee. We will select this bee. Duplicate the video. Adjust the length of the rectangle. Now we reach the last stage of the progress bar. Now we will select the last icon. In the Search element field, look for another bee. We will select this bee. In the Search element field, key in Red Background. We select this background. Adjust the size and border settings, same as the first rectangle. Duplicate the video. Adjust the length of the rectangle. This is our own animated progress bar. Save this file as MP4. You can change the background of your progress bar and icon according to your quiz theme. This will make your quiz more engaging. This is another example of the underwater submarine animated progress bar. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Studio for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!